Welcome to Fenster Components. I'm founder and president Ryan Schwartz. On behalf of my family and my staff, I would like to thank you for taking an interest in our products. Fenster Components is the nation's leading manufacturer for aftermarket replacement window sashes, window components, and unique window replacement products. We offer nearly 70 different models of replacement sash representing some 20 major brands of windows that are either obsolete, out of business, or no longer offer an older model of sash. We have those products available to you. Now, as you begin to navigate through our website, I do want to mention one thing. You probably did a Google search looking for the type of window or brand of window that you're looking for, and we popped up. That doesn't mean we bought that window company. That means we're just good at internet marketing. We didn't go through and buy 20-some different window manufacturers and become that window company. All of our products are Fenster products. They're an aftermarket replication of the original products. So unfortunately, we cannot entertain any warranty issues, and we certainly do not have a body of reference to everything about that window brand, and all the different particulars that go along with that brand of window. Now, what I do want to say is, contrary to what your window replacement salesman probably told you, windows can be repaired. And we've been proving that since the year 2000, since we've been in business. As you begin to navigate through our website, starting on our home page, you will find a variety of product categories that will fulfill a specific need. Now, as you dig into those product categories, using our sash profile catalog, you can use that information to identify what type of window you're looking for, and do we have that model available to be able to help you. And you'll also find some helpful videos along the way. Again, I thank you for visiting our website and taking an interest in our products. We hope to be able to help you with your future window repair project.